Hello, my name is Mudavanhu Matilda. I am a mbira player performing the traditional music of the people of Zimbabwe. I am also the co-director of Nhimbe for Progress, which is under Ancient Ways in the United States of America. I am also the mbira teacher for Humwe, the COSMAS MAGAYA Cultural and Education Center here in Mhondoro, Zimbabwe.
Tell us a bit about COSMAS MAGAYA, the work that it was doing, and what is now happening after his passed.
Well, I am the only son of COSMAS MAGAYA, and as you know, he was a prominent mbira player. He was also quite active in sourcing help from his friends in the United States. And that's where Nhimbe came about. And we have been paying school fees over the years. I think from the year 2000 for disadvantaged children here in Mhondoro. We've also managed to help people with wells for clean water, building toilets. And we also have what we call the MMC, which is the Mandara Monthly Care, whereby we give young girls pads and all the necessary things that they need, so that they don't have to miss school in case they when they go for their periods and all.
Great. Let's talk about the music project. What you're doing with the mbira, marimba here, and the schools and communities.
Yes, well, that's the Humwe, which means togetherness. So that was co-founded by my dad and my sister Tsitsi, Magaya, who is based in the US. So what we do is we have about almost 40 kids, and they come, I teach them mbira. We have Tunderai Mishi, who teaches them marimba, and once in a while we also bring in people like Tete Irene Chigamba to come and help with the dance. And in turn, we help the kids by paying their school fees. So we also have an annual camp whereby we also invite other organizations like Humwe, who will come and camp here for a week.
Oh, great. And this particular exchange with Kutsinhira?
Well, Kutsinhira is quite an important organization to our family. Why? And to our community also. Why? Because they are the first to invite my dad to the United States in 1998. And from then on, a very strong relationship grew between the organization, my dad, the community there in the US also grew that had an interest in the music. And quite a lot has come out of that connection between my dad and Kutsinhira. And they also helped me this year to visit the United States for the first time.
My name is Matilda Magaya. I'm the project manager for Humwe. Humwe is a project that we are doing here in Mhondoro. We started in September 2012 with 12 students. Our aim is to preserve the Zimbabwean music and culture, and also to improve the lives of those in the communities that we serve. We are having 31 students at the moment from the schools that are close by. So from those students that we have, we serve them dinner and we also pay them school fees. We have been trying to get assistance for this, for us to build a center, which we actually acquired some years ago. So Humwe was actually founded by my young sister Tsitsi, who's actually based in the US. It's a project that she thought of as a way of a legacy towards our dead. He's quite an inspiration to most of our youths here in Mhondoro and most of the mbira players here in Mhondoro. So we're actually trying to make sure that his legacy doesn't die.
We'll keep this going.